202, Route 2, actually. If I cross Route 2, I know what's up that road. Anyways, if I cross Route 2, I can end up going around the Quabbin, coming back down the Quabbin Reservoir, over on 202 side, at Daniel Shays Highway. That road I was just passing when me and my wife bought our house, and we were looking for a dog. Really wanted to get either a Husky or a Newfoundland. And I had a buddy at work who, his wife's friend was losing their house, and she had a Siberian Husky, purebred, and she had to get rid of him. I went up there with the wife, and he said, we'd love to take him. How much? When do you want us to come back? She just said, no, if you want to take him right now. I said, well, how much do you want for him? I said, don't make me do this to my kids multiple times. Just take him. Felt bad taking, dog from some kids, but they weren't able to keep him. But we gave him a good home. We had him for. He only lived till about 11 years old, 11, 12. But he was a wicked good dog. He was a beautiful, beautiful Husky. His name was Keto. He came with a name, not Keto, but we just called him Keto. Played a big part in our life, I'll tell you what. That was a happy dog. If you're ever in the market for an animal, or looking for a dog, and you start thinking you want a Husky, know that they are loving animals, but you need to be prepared to be picking up about 2 bags of, like literally 2 trash bags full of hair every week. Minimum. Those suckers shed. He used to go everywhere with me in the truck too, when he was younger. He loved hopping up in the truck, just hanging his head out and having a grand old time. It didn't matter if it was 100 degrees out or if it was 10 degrees below zero. He just wanted his head out the window. That was a happy, happy dog. Fast forward to now. 2 years ago, we picked up this dog from a shelter. His name's Brock. His full name is Brock Lee. That comes off of a couple things. My wife and I are children of the 90s, and Pokemon. And then my wife is also vegan, and has been for a long time. So the name just fit well. He's half pit bull, half husky, so I guess they call it a Pitsky. This dog he's like 1,000% love. He's a little bit of an anxiety nut though. Just had to pick him up a new crate because we had a Kong crate, which we used for the Siberian Husky. He could never break out of it. Never had any issues. I don't know if any of you guys have purchased Kong product things for your animals before, but they're pretty durable. They're heavy duty. They're meant for heavy duty dogs. Well, this dog took his mouth and ripped the whole front of the cage off. And other times, I rebuilt the thing. He'd just take his paw and he'd rip one of the side panels off. And I didn't want him to get hurt, so I picked him up a much more heavy-duty iron crate, thick barred. He likes the crate, but you know, I don't like putting him in it. But I don't like my couch getting eaten. Or coming home and finding my shoes eaten down right to the sole. If I'm lucky enough to have the sole of the boot left. Alright, where to? We're gonna go route 2. Let's see, next left is east. I wanna go west. Alright, we're hopping on route 2. Route 2 west. Unload. Let her rip, tater chip. Still got 1 or 2 more gears to go.